back to my channel. I'm Dawn with Candy Cane Ridge. So we're fixing to start our new sew along with Tree Farm by Poppie Cotton. I just wanted to welcome everybody, show you all of the tools you're going to need, and to show you what fabric I'm going to be using. So stick around and let's get started. So to start with, you're going to need your pattern. And if you have not already found your pattern online, go grab it now. You can, I would say Etsy is your best bet, finding a shop that has it online. So first, you're going to need your pattern. And you're going to need your fabric. Now, this actually calls for, let me show you. If you haven't already, you can find all of the requirements in our blog post. But it calls for 1 fat quarter bundle. And the actual pattern on the front is Prairie Christmas, which is what I have right here. So the pattern actually calls for 1 fat quarter bundle. And it uses Prairie Christmas, designed by Amanda Grace Designs for Poppie Cotton. And that's what I have here, is the Prairie Christmas collection. Let's go ahead and cut that open. Oh, this is so fun. Alright. Look. Let's just kind of look through here for a minute. Look at the tractors, the church, this other church, the houses. Oh, I can't wait to get these opened and starched and pine cones. Oh, look. Oh, we have another one. Reds. Oh, these are 2 different colorways. This is more of a teal blue, and this is more of a green. Pine cones, a different colorway. Again, we've got the teal blue, and then kind of a pinky peach color. Same thing there. All the different colorways and all the different designs. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is more of a cream. Love it. All right, I'm going to get all of these pressed, starched. I starch my fabric. And get everything cut out before we get started. All right, so here's our Prairie Christmas fat quarter bundle. There are 21 fat quarters. And then we have 1 fat quarter black, which I have my black fat quarter right there. And then you need 4.5 yards of a white for the background. And I just had this in my stash, and so that's what I'm going to be using. And 5/8 yard for binding, 5 yards for backing, and a 70 by 88 piece of batting. This quilt actually finishes at a 60 by 78. So you're going to need all of your fabric, but you might need, this pattern uses templates. And let me kind of show you what I'm talking about here. So there's a template, and there's the large tree and a medium tree. I picked this up at my local Hobby Lobby. Guys, I paid $2.99 for it. It is a template material. I'm going to try this out, see if I like it. If not, we're going to go back to the photocopy and using my handy trusty ruler right here. But I will walk you through how to actually do all of that in our videos. You're going to need scissors, your rotary cutter, and your general, I like to have my little clips on hand, and some sewing pins. I'll see you next week when we work on our tractor. That's block number 1.